Guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are here with another slime making video. So the slime making video is with a blue glitter. So previously two videos already with pink and red. So now let's make this slime. Guys, let's pour the gum. Now let's add the glitter as much as you want. I'm adding limited. So I added limited. Now let's mix it well with the glitter, nicely mixed with the gum. Now let's pour the activator. Pouring it. Now let's mix it. Guys, we have mixed it well. Now let's take it and put it in the table. Take it. So it's so nice. Hope you all like this video. Please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and guys, and click the bell button. I'll be making slime with other colors also, so be waiting. So now thank you for watching the video and bye.